Hello everyone, I am James Matthew P. Suazo
And I am Vida May Gonzaga.
and today we will be discussing about
What is polynomial? What is standard form? And what is monomial, binomial, and trinomial?
Oh, Suazo, what is polynomial?
What is polynomial?
A polynomial is a mathematical equation that consists of coefficients, variables, and non-integer exponents. It also consists of the operations of addition, subtraction, and multiplication.
For example, 3x raised to the power of 2 minus 2x plus 5 is a polynomial. Expressions are not a polynomial if they have a variable in the denominator. For example, 2 over x. And also, variables with negative or fractional exponents are also not a polynomial. For example, x raised to the power of negative 2 and 1/2.
Suazo, what is monomial, binomial, and trinomial?
Monomials, binomials, and trinomials. These are specific types of polynomials named based on the number of terms they have. What is standard form? The standard form of a polynomial is a way of writing it where the terms are arranged in decreasing order of their degree. The degree of the term is the exponent of its variable. The term with the highest degree is written first, and the constant term, which has a degree of 0, is written last.
Example of standard form. The polynomial 7 minus 3x cubed plus 4x would be written in standard form as negative 3x cubed plus 4x plus 7.